This tutorial was created at domestic-divaonline.com. Here's a list of supplies you'll need. Corn kernels and adhesive caulking are the two elements that raise the agapanthus above the canvas and make them so dimensional. To begin working with the template, tape the two pages together. The finished canvas measures 8 inches by 24. Spray the entire canvas with burnt sienna paint. Be sure to cover the side edges evenly. While the paint dries, slice through the lines of the template with a craft knife and poke holes in the circles. Using a chalk pencil, draw light lines in the slits and dots in the circles. Remove the template to reveal the canvas design. These markings will be your guide for applying caulking and corn kernels. Place corn kernels in a disposable plastic container to keep them from flying around while you spray paint them white. They will require more than one coat, but don't fuss over them too much because you can touch them up later with a small brush and white paint. Let them dry thoroughly between coats. Don't cut the tip of the caulking container as suggested on the package. Instead, pierce the tip with a sharp, thick needle like a darning needle or a nail, using a twisting motion. Cover the markings you created with chalk with fine lines of caulking. Clean up any imperfect caulking lines with a toothpick or craft stick. A warm, damp Q-tip will remove caulking from the canvas. When all the fine lines are complete, cut the caulking container at the first mark on the tip. Now create the two thick flower stems with the caulking. Attach a disposable cake decorating bag to a metal leaf tip. You'll find the simple steps on the back of the box the bags come in. Cake decorating supplies should not be used with food after working with caulking. Fold over the top half of the bag into a cuff. Cut the sealed end off the caulking tube. Squeeze the contents of the tube into the bag. Unfold the cuff and twist the end of the bag. Squeeze the bag as you follow the markings for the leaves. Don't hesitate to overlap some of them. Moving steadily across the canvas will produce relatively smooth leaves. Moving very slowly will cause the leaves to lift, ripple, and create even more dimension. Place small dots of glue on the marks you created for the blooms. These give you a general outline of the flower. You will need more kernels to complete the image. Add them with your hands or tweezers, working from the outline toward the center until you have the number of kernels that appeal to you. Touch up dull kernels with a small brush and white paint as needed. You can also touch up the canvas with a small brush and burnt sienna paint. To see more project tutorials for you and your home, be sure to stop in at domestic-divaonline.com.